So I'm coming down into my usual spot where I camp, and there's a little bit of snow, but I couldn't get my sled in. If I would have planned a little better, had it so I could backpack in. But anyway, I just want to check out my spot, see what it's like in here. Yeah, I haven't been back here since last winter. I wanted to just check to see how much firewood I can find here. There's still plenty of firewood around. Doesn't look like anyone really camped here in the summertime. So there's all kinds of good stuff over here that I can use, and up over the hill there. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to abort for this trip, and I'll be back. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.